Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. You have all recognized this plant by now. Yes, this is the chrysanthemum plant. In Hindi, this is called guldaudi, and in Bengali, it is known as Chandramallika. Chrysanthemum is actually an autumn flower, but its preparation is started in the summer season only. So how do you take care of your chrysanthemum plant so the flower comes back every year? Okay, today I will tell you some tips on how you can take care of it in growing season. First, let's prepare a special homemade fertilizer for the plant. This is the onion peel fertilizer. With it, mix some kitchen waste compost. Take all those in a jar and soak it in 1 liter of water. Soaking will not only help. With this, my mom will add some magical liquid. I think all of you have guessed, haven't you? After mixing all of that, keep it in a shaded area for 1 to 2 days. Still not know what's the magic liquid? Yes, it is the bioenzyme. Only 5 to 10 ml of bioenzyme is required to boost your fertilizer. Let us keep it for 2 days. With all that, let us go with the next care we should take care of our plants. It's nothing much, it's just that your chrysanthemum plants love sunlight. So make sure to rotate your pot like this every day so each part of your plant gets sunlight every day. It will also give your plant a perfect shape. Okay, now let us go on with the next care tip. It is about the watering of the plant. But while watering, instead of using normal water, make sure to use your rice water. Dilute it with normal water and give it to your plant. Okay, now let's move on with a very simple tip. Time to time pinching is a must for your chrysanthemum if you want a lot of natural branching. Pinching is nothing. All the new tips you see, just pinch it off with your thumb and your index finger. If you wish, you can also use a sharp scissor for doing this process. Pinching will help the plant become healthy and will get your plant a lot of branchings. And keep on doing this pinching until November. Here in Delhi in November, winter have already started. But if your place, the winter starts late, you can keep on doing this pinching. With all that, let us move on to the next tip. It's nothing. All you have to do is time to time check your plant, and if your plant has any kind of diseased or damaged parts, remove it. And if you notice that your plant have any kind of insect attack, then make sure to use Bioenzyme, neem spray or any other soap spray for your plant. Also remember, chrysanthemum plants are a very heavy feeder, so a monthly application of balanced fertilizer is needed. And in growing season, watering your plant is very essential. Too little water slows or stops their growth. Also, in this period, you can use mulch for keeping your soil moist. Already 48 hours is over by now, and this fertilizer is ready to use. As it has been idle for 2 days, make sure to shake it and dilute it even more. While giving any kind of fertilizer or even water, make sure to give it in the soil so it goes to the roots. Never ever give it on the foliage. Because if the leaves are moist or get moist somehow, more insect attacks will be on your plant. I hope if you also use these tips, you will get so many beautiful flowers like these. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.